Bekuyinjabulo ehambisana nomunyu emgwaqeni yaseBarberton. Abantu benkanise emgwaqeni belinde ukufika kwisidumbu sikaMabuza ekhaya. Isidumbu sakhe sisuswe emakhazeni entambama sayiswa emzini wakhe, kanti besiphelekezelwa amaphoyisa kanye namalungu ombutho wezokuvikela.
These are the flags that will trap the coffin of our DP. However, we know that there will be interchange between ourselves and the state.
Abanye abantu sebechithe izinsuku benkanise ngaphandle komuzi wakhe ukuzomhlonipha.
Siza ubhlungu sizolala la kaMabuza sizosho ukuthi uMabuza akalalanga uguqe ngedolo sithi long live the spirit of David Mabuza, long live.
We have been here the whole week, but it is only now that it's dawning inside us, and we are now beginning to feel the reality is kicking in now.
Uphiko lwabesifazane ku-ANC, i-ANC Women's League, luthi lulahlekelwe kakhulu.
He prioritized the development of women. That's why he made sure that at least 50% of women are deployed in strategic positions.
Umphakathi waseBarberton namanje awuvali umlomo ngendlela uMabuza abe yiyo.
Ngiva buhlungu kakhulu ngoba lokuningi akakakwendi. Labanye bakhele etindlu bathengana lemafenisha. Kuningi lobe sikulinzile kuye. Nanyalo siva buhlungu kakhulu.
Mabuza usendelele okuningi usiyakhele etindlu tema-RDP usiyakhele usifakele nabo aphola nje sidabuke kakhulu kwamba kaMabuza.
Ngithi mina Mabuza lala kahle ulale ngekuthula. Phefemuli wakho ulale ngokuthula usendelele okukhulu eWard 4. Kuningi kakhulu osendele kona sihanjelwe siyakhala. Angathi kusengakhuluma ngithini.
uMabuza uzofihlwa kusasa eBarberton.
Tomorrow morning the proceedings will start in the morning here at home with a private ceremony which will among others include the handover of the African National Congress flag to the family, and then government will then and the state will take over. As you know that the funeral is declared by the president as category 2.
uMabuza waba yiphini likaMengameli wakuleli kusukela ngo-2018 kuya ku-2023. Kusukela lapho wathatha umhlalaphansi kwezombusazwe.